So now we're going to solve an equation that has a whole bunch of work to do in it. We have to do a lot here. So we're going to write the equation down again. So we have 3x plus 2 minus 5 is equal to 2 times x plus 1. We know how to use the distributive property. So we're going to distribute what's on the left. Remember, the distributive property just means multiply everything outside the parentheses by what's inside the parentheses. So we're going to do 3 times x, which gives us 3x, and 3 times 2, which is plus 6. Don't forget the minus 5, so bring that down. And on the other side of the equal sign, we're going to do the same thing. 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times 1 is plus 2. Now we're going to combine the terms. We see we have 6 minus 5. So let's simplify that. That's just going to be 3x plus 1 equals 2x plus 2. Now we want to solve for x, so we're going to get all the x's on one side. So let's take the 2x on the right-hand side and subtract it from both sides. And now we have the equation 1x, or x, plus 1 is equal to 2, because the two x's kind of cancel themselves out. Now it's easy to see, because what number plus 1 equals 2? Well, that's obvious. The answer is going to be x is equal to 1. So we circle letter B. But again, we have to be sure of our work. So what we're going to do right now is check it by plugging the number 1 into every place where we see an x and making sure that it works. So I'm going to rewrite the equation. And instead of x, I'm going to substitute the number 1, because we just decided that x was going to be equal to 1. We're going to ask ourselves, is this true? Well, let's follow the order of operations. 1 plus 2 is 3. So now we have 3 times 3, which is 9. And we have 9 minus 5. In the other parenthesis, we have 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. On the left-hand side, 9 minus 5 equals 4. And on the right, 2 times 2 equals 4. So we can see that, yes, indeed, 1's the correct solution.